Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bree, and in today's video, excuse the lint on my shirt, but in today's video is going to be another small business vlog. So as you guys can see, I did take out my knotless braids. So I had them in for like 5 weeks, and I finally tried my new shampoo that I'm working on. So basically, I really do like the shampoo. However, it did start to separate when it was sitting out for those couple weeks. So that just shows me that I still need to tweak the formula because it is unstable, because it's separating. However, I still used it and I do like the product a lot. I do agree with the way my mom described it. It lathers way better the second time around. It is definitely very strengthening and it's very cleansing. So even though it's a moisturizing shampoo, like my hair felt so clean afterwards. So yeah, so I was like kind of debating between coming out with like moisturizing or clarifying, but when I tell you, for a moisturizing shampoo, that was very cleansing. So we'll see. So yeah, I'm going to be working on that, the next couple months and stuff like that. But I really, really do like the shampoo and I'm excited to come out with it. So today I'm actually going to go to Starbucks and I'm going to do some more admin work. I feel like I haven't done admin work in so long. So basically I'm going to do like some email marketing and stuff like that and just send out some emails. I think I'm going to start a 20% off spring sale today, and I'm going to have it last, because today's Thursday. I'm going to have it last for today, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm going to do like a 4-day sale. Yeah, so I'm probably going to get something to drink, and then maybe I'll eat like a sandwich there, be there for a few hours. And yeah, just do a few things on my computer. We'll see what else I come up with. And yeah, and then I'll come home and then take the day from there. Okay guys, so I'm leaving Starbucks now. I was there for a few hours. I am horrible at vlogging lately, but I was so hungry. So I was not trying to set up my phone or anything like that. But I got the strawberry refresher lemonade. It was so good, but I always get it without ice, and then I ask for ice on the side. They never give me like attitude or anything, and then they don't charge you, and then you get like 2 drinks. So it just saves you get more drinks for your money. So that's why I always do that. And then I got the bacon Gouda minus the bacon because I'm a vegetarian. And yeah, so that was a good breakfast / lunch since I ate it around 12, and now it's 2:30. My laptop died, and they didn't really have any tables where I wanted to sit that had an outlet, so my laptop died, and I'm like, it's time for me to go. But basically what I ended up getting done, my phone is kind of crooked, is I sent out a Mother's Day sale. So I'm having a Mother's Day sale. It's 20% off. And it's gonna end Sunday. Today is Thursday, and so yeah, so it's gonna be a 4-day sale. So I sent out an email to my email subscribers, and I also sent out an SMS text for my text subscribers, just letting everybody know about the sale. Then I posted it on Instagram and Facebook, and then I basically was just trying to figure out how I could get a discount on my pop-up. So I used to have a pop-up that I had, it was free, from this app that I installed on my website. So it was like a spin the wheel pop-up. So when you go, I don't know, you guys probably have been on like a website where you go on the website and then this spin the wheel thing comes up, and it'll have all these different discounts. It'll be like 10% off, free shipping, 20% off. So you give your email or your phone number, you click subscribe, and then it'll give you a discount. That gave me so many subscribers, and I also helped with sales. But they switched over from being free to paid, and I didn't want to upgrade. But yeah, I was looking at how many, I actually feel like I got a lot of subscribers from that in such a short amount of time. So I decided to figure out how I can get it, but they gave me like an exclusive offer for like $5 a month, and I was just like, oh my god. So I was like, you know what, let me ask them, because the price went up. if I could get it for that offer, the initial offer to me. And they were like, we can't give it to you for $5, but we can give it to you for $8. And I'm like, you know what? $8 a month is still really good for something that's making you good money every month. So it ends up working out and making sense. I hope this person does not try to cut in front of me. Okay. It ends up making sense. So yeah, so I paid for that, and once this sale ends, I'm gonna go back to the spin the wheel pop-up thingy and see how that works for me, because I really want, my goal is to get 1,000 email subscribers. I think right now I'm like at 300, maybe 400. I'm not honestly too sure, but it's like I want to get to 1,000, because I feel like that would be a really good number and a solid that's a solid number.